My name is Michelle Jennings and I'm from Pembrokeshire College.
My name is Dan Williams. I'm a welding lecturer at Pembrokeshire College.
Barry Walters, Principal, Pembrokeshire College.
So I've been involved in competitions for over 10 years. I've had a passion for working with the learners and getting them involved in the competitions. The benefit for me, I think, is for staff, firstly. It raises our standards because we need to be teaching to a higher standard. I would say for the learners is definitely their skill set is a lot higher. Their confidence, putting them into uncomfortable situations means that when they go out in industry, they're just better prepared for whatever is going to be thrown at them.
Well, we've always been a very enthusiastic supporter of skills competitions in Pembrokeshire College. We encourage all vocational areas to participate because, as I've said before, it raises aspirations, it raises standards and helps the young people to develop the skills that are needed for the world of work.
So we've been fortunate that we've had 2 of our learners go through to squad, and that has definitely given them so many mindset kind of experiences, because they do a lot of training with that. And I know some of our past learners that have done that have gone on and had amazing careers.
I think every single learner should try to be involved with skills competitions. It raises the standard of the learning and it can inspire so many other learners to try and follow in their footsteps as well.
Well, we conduct our own internal skills competitions, and that little bit of competitiveness sort of drives the improvement in quality and standards and skills. Most, in fact, if not all of our curriculum areas are now very much involved in participating in skills competitions because they all see the value. And it's not only the learners who go to these regional, national and UK-wide competitions, but they bring back a lot of that experience into their classrooms and with their colleagues. You see young people develop. I'll give you an example. We had a young student who competed in the WorldSkills in Denmark earlier this year. That learner hadn't been on a plane before. That learner had only been out of Pembrokeshire to compete in Manchester in the previous year's UK Finals.
This was probably one of the highlights of my skills career. My competitor Luke, who works for Haven Engineering, he went to WorldSkills in Denmark to represent the UK. He did very, very well and we're very proud of him.
So, it's life experiences. It is opening these young people up to the idea that they can travel the world, and if they develop the right skills and apply them, they can do anything they want.